Hi there and welcome back to my work on the Seafarer 30. There's not a lot of exciting stuff to show here. I've just been working on compounding the outside of the hull and getting it shined up a bit. Still got another section to go on that and the whole other side. But I worked on that for a bit and then worked on the inside, starting to sand down some of the surfaces that need to be redone in here. So just thought I'd record it and set it out there so you can see what's going on. Get a little progress. Thanks.